Everyone hates ketchup and mustard cables all over their PC, and to be honest, I'm no different. I think black cables look very smart and very simple, but if you want to level up your game and make your PC stand out even more from your friends, family or even your fans, the best way to do this is with the Sleeve Cable Mod Kit. The TtMod Sleeve Kit allows you to customize your system build with relative ease. That just plugs directly into your existing power supply cables and gives your system another level of flair. With the 3-layered design, the outer ultra density weaving made from PET plastic, which in my experience is the best for routing these cables and to hold any curves that you need. In the middle is an insulating layer with an acid and alkaline resistant, fuel resistant, damp proof and mildew proof layer, which features an inner certified 16 American gauge wire inner cabling. The TtMod Sleeve Kit cable combo pack offers users flexibility for easy installation to give a clean and professional look. The individually sleeved cables are heat shrink free to give a higher quality cable assembly to achieve superior performance and stability. The TtMod Sleeve Cable Kit offers a choice of 4 colours to choose from: blue black, red black, green and black and orange and black. My favourite are these orange and black ones that we have right here. The cable kit also comes with cable combs with rounded edges to provide a professional look and easy installation, and of course no sharp edges. Each comb can be placed individually along the cable for proper fitment and routing. However, I would advise spacing them out evenly on the visual parts of the PC, as using the combs at the back of the chassis makes cable management a little harder. The pack consists of 1x24 pin extension with 4 black combs, one ATX 8-pin extension with 4 black combs, 2 VGA 6+2 pin extensions with 4 black combs per cable, and 2 6-pin extension cables with 4 black combs per cable, and each cable measures in at around 300mm each, which should give the user plenty of room to play with. With universal standard power cable extension connectors, the TT Sleeve Cable Kit is fully compatible with all Thermaltake power supply brands and models. Each cable is designed to fit into the system side of the power supply cable to allow an extension if needed, but for also aesthetic reasons and to allow the user routing and maintenance. The TtMod Sleeve Cable Kit is rated to work with power supplies rated from 250 watts to 1300 watts and come with a 12-month warranty, so priced at £43 at the time of the video, they are competitively priced and from a reputable company for quality control to give you more peace of mind. So if you'd like one of these cable kits, the link will be in the description down below. Well, thanks for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. So until then, bye.